If you'd like to see how we transform the look of these floors from this light color to this lovely dark shiny gray using Rustoleum paint kit, keep watching this video. Hey you guys, so today in this video I am going to be using some Rustoleum home floor coating paint. This is a kit that I purchased from Home Depot, and I purchased this kit from Home Depot and it was about $45, I believe, because if you get it in the gallon size, it's about $70, okay? So we've already taken out the kitchen table and we've already removed our garbage cans and everything. I'm gonna let you see the color of the floor. The color that I picked out and had them mix in, it's either this dark gray or gunmetal gray. These right here. So you buy it and you pick out the color you want and you take it up to the paint area and they go ahead and mix it in for you. So it's the paint, the base coat, which is a step 1, and then it's a step 2, which is like the gloss top coat. Okay, so this is, I believe this is porcelain floor tile. I can't think of the name of it. I'll insert it later if I have to. As you can see, it's like starting to crack up and break. And they had a dark colored grout. And we did try to redo it. It didn't turn out right. So it just needs to be painted. And I wanted it to be a little darker color anyway. So you can see some of the damage over the years. And just want to change up the look anyway. So there were some areas where I took a Brillo pad and like extra scrub, and I have like some stuff on the floor sitting so I can wipe it up. So if you do have like an area where you had like a kitchen table and it's like some grease spills, or maybe where you had a garbage can, you just want to take that time and get those get the floor degreased. Okay, you guys, again, I just want to show you how the floor looks. As you can see, it's a lighter color. And we did recently paint our cabinets black, so I do have a video for that if you'd like to check that out. Again, I do still have some degreaser in certain areas on the floor, and I just want to tell you also, it did come with a degreaser. I'll show you how it looks later on in the video. Now, we started to paint the floor and we did not do any masking. Next time we would on the wall area, but we knew that that trim that's brown, we eventually want that trim to be black. And just another quick tip also, if you do have a floor blow dryer, that really does help cut down on that drying time. So use one of those if you have one handy. This little can ran out and this is all I was able to cover. So I just want to show you guys, I'm not sure how big your kitchens are. I'm not even as sure what square footage mine is, so sorry about that. But those areas that aren't painted, all I had was enough to do one coat in the areas that you see painted now. So I did have to end up going back to Home Depot and buying some more paint, which was difficult because I didn't want another kit. I knew I needed a gallon. And I believe that the man said it does not come in a gallon. And each separate little can is like $25. So the guy was very nice. What he ended up doing is selling me 4 small cans, which would have been like $100. He sold it to me for the price of a gallon, which was $57. So this is not like, you know, some cheap paint. It's not at all. So I didn't buy a bigger size clear. I wanted to get the coat of the gray on first, then see how far the little clear in the kit would take me before I went ahead and bought one of those. But the next day I did go buy a gallon of the clear. The clear has like a milky consistency. It looks white, but it dries clear and it's kind of watery, but it's nice. Okay, so this is the floor blower that I was telling you guys about. We had to keep one little side open over there to get to our side door. So we did end up painting down those little steps and on that little platform as well. So consider making sure you have another way out of your home or in your home. If your kitchen is connected to your main entrance or exit. So you guys, this looks like it's very matte and very dry, But don't worry, because once you add on the clear coat, it gives it such a lovely shine. You don't really notice the shine until it dries, because it just looks a little weird at first. But this is a really nice upgrade to do to your floor. It works also for bathroom floors. It works on wood. It works on many different surfaces. At least that's what the box says. So far I'm pretty pleased with this, and I'm excited. And this is what the heavy duty cleaner looks like. This is a degreaser. You can purchase a bigger one if you want to. This is 4 ounces, and it does also come inside of the box with the kit, just to let you know that, okay? Now also with this kit, like I said, you'll probably need more paint. I think they should make the kit just bigger, period. Now this is 2 coats, okay? Then we went over the grout lines because they were like kind of deep. So we went in with more paint to kind of fill it up and make it look better. You see the before and after with the black grout lines. It's really coming together quite well. We're just finishing up the second coat. So don't be afraid to go over those grout lines with plenty of paint. Like, go heavy on it with a smaller brush, and then we took a bigger roller brush to even that out. Now please forgive me, for whatever reason I did not record myself putting the clear coat on. But once you put the second coat on of the gray, you let it sit for 6 hours, and then you add the clear on and you let that dry for 24 hours. And the clear gives it a very nice shiny look. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result. Again, I did not record myself adding the clear. It just completely slipped my mind. And then not having access to the kitchen for like a whole day, I really wanted to just get this underway. We added our kitchen table and trash cans back in after about 2 or 3 days. So it says on the box, no heavy foot traffic with shoes, just soft socks. Wait about 7 days for it to like fully clear before you start putting your boots and shoes back on it. I really do like this kit. Again, they should just make it bigger. The small cans separately are very expensive. You'll probably just end up needing to get a gallon of the color you chose. The color was dark gray. It wasn't the gunmetal one. You'll probably just end up needing to get a gallon because you want to go over those grout lines if you have them. You'll want to do 2 or 3 coats if you have to. This just looks really good. It looks way better than it did before. I hope this video was helpful to you and that you did enjoy it, and you'll get to see how the kit actually looks and how it works.
Sure to check out our website.
Thanks you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it or found it helpful. Hello to all my subscribers.
Use my coupon
if you are a
code
subscriber,
ROYALBEAUTY10
please make sure that you do
off for
hit that
special
notification
discount for my
bell so you'll be alerted when I do upload a
Be sure
new
to check out
video.
our website.
Thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye.
Where we sell in-waistband gun holsters available in 4 different sizes. We also carry gun cleaning mats and much more. Use my special discount code VIBES, VIBES, for my subscribers.